Okay guys, today I will be making some cabbage. I'm going to start off by cutting the peppers up. I have green, red, and yellow pepper. Some potatoes. I already have some onions and carrots cut up for my oxtails. I'm going to start off by cutting them up. Okay, everything's finally cut up with the peppers. I'm going to add them to the bowl with the carrots and onions. Excuse my husband over there in the corner. He's talking to our new thing. What series? Hopefully she don't start talking to us later on without us talking to her. All right, now I'm gonna cut the cabbage. Cut it into fine pieces. Cabbage is already clean, and well, no, it's already clean on the top, but once I cut this all up, I'm gonna clean it again. Can never be too clean. The inside is not clean. All right, I'm gonna put it in my pan. I'm gonna add some cooking stock. This is the beef kind. Add a little bit in there. You don't have to put too much in there because you know cabbage, it makes its own water. Yeah, all that. Yep, makes its own water. So we just want to add the cabbage bit by bit. Then I'm gonna add some of the peppers and stuff, the sides that I have. Some of the potatoes. Then I'm gonna add some more of the cabbage. I'm gonna mix match so everything can blend in properly. It seems like it's a lot of cabbage, and then everything's gonna shrink after a while. But we got this. See, I add all those ingredients. Look how good it looks. Colorful. Very colorful. Alright, now I'm gonna add the seasoned garlic powder. Now you can do it to your liking. Like everybody seasons differently. I don't have no certain measurements. I just do it. This is the onion powder. I have some tropical sazon seasoning. So have some red crushed pepper flakes. Oh, I can't get it open. Matter of fact, it's brand new, so I have to open it up. Ran out of this like ASAP. I always run out of this. Had to purchase some more. All ready to go. Here we go. We're gonna add some pepper flakes. It's hard to get it out. Still trying to add it. It's like it's stuck to the top. I got some garlic, minced garlic. I'm gonna add that to it. Cover it up for a while. And ta-da! Look how it looks. All done. And look at it plated now. Very delicious. And by the way, it was so good when I tasted it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.